Good morning students, I welcome you all to the online session of Informatics Practices session 2021 and we are doing chapter number 1 working with numpy video number 3. So let's have a look at today's agenda. The very first thing we will be doing is basic arithmetic operations, then 2D array joining. Third we will be doing finding variance, covariance and correlation of coefficient, and then solution to the self-assessment of previous video. So let's start basic arithmetic operations program. So you can see these two are the basic arithmetic operations on 1D array. We can see here we have x and y, two arrays, 1D array. Here x is having 4 elements and y is also having 4 elements of 1D array. And here we have added, this is the arithmetic operation plus or addition. And after adding it is putting the value in z, and when we are printing z it is giving 2, 4, 6, 8 as x 0 element is added in y's 0 element. The same way 1 element in y's 1 element. This way we have added and output is coming. The same operation can be subtraction, multiplication, division, and even you can add single element value to any of your array. Like I have added x plus 1. Whatever the values of x is there, in that 1 will be added. So the output will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let's have a look at aggregate operations on 1D array. Aggregate operation means like grouping wise. If you want this x is having, I want the sum of all its elements, I can write x dot sum. You'll see the output will be 10. It is adding all these elements values. Then if you want to find minimum value, you can write array name dot minimum method. You see it will give value 1. And the same way you can find maximum and then mean, median. So this is the way to find aggregate operations on 1D array. Now let's move to second step where we will be doing joining 2D array or 1D array. We are doing the example of 2D array. See, this is array A I have taken and it is 2D. As you can see, 2 rows are here in it and 2 columns are here. So here we are going to concatenate or join it. To join we have this concatenate method. You can see what I have done here. In concatenation I have given A comma A. That means this A only I am joining twice. So this one, if you will see the output will be 7516 is joined twice on x is 0. So it is joining this way. If you will not mention any x is 0, automatically it will join. If you want it should be concatenated horizontally, then you have to mention x is 1 as I have mentioned here. So then the output will be different. Then it is joining it horizontally. We don't have just concatenation method, we have one stack method also that we can do it v stack or h stack. Here it is v stack, so the output will be vertically joining. What we have done here, we have just this x array and we have joined it with this one A array. The output is somewhat like this. If you want, you can join it horizontally also using this h stack. So the output will be this way as the default concatenation function works. Now let's move to variance. So now we'll do 2D array variance. What variance is? Actually it is the square difference of the mean values. To find it, we have few steps. The very first thing, find the mean values, then square it and subtract those values from the actual mean value. This way you'll be able to find the variance. Let's see it programmatically. If you didn't understand also, then don't worry, because you don't have to bother how this variance has to be find out. You just know what actually formula we are going, or the what method we are going to use to find out variance. So that you know the formula is VAR, variance, and the variance for which you are going to find out, that variable you have to write here. That's it, and the variance will come. Then we have covariance. Covariance is the relation between two different entities. So for that we have method COV, the value for which you want to find out covariance. As covariance will be finding out relationship between two arrays or two values, so we have given here two arguments. So it will be finding out how these two arrays are varying. Are these various arrays varying positively or negatively? So this way output will come. And then we have correlation of coefficient. This correlation of coefficient will always from -1 to 1, in this range only, not more than this, not less than this. Now let's do another thing, solution to your previous video. So the solution to that previous video is given here. You can zoom it out and find it out, and don't forget to do it yourself. And now is the time for today's self-assessment. This is your program which you have to do. You have to create 2:3 ND array and join it with another 2:3 ND array and try to split it up. So this is all for today's video. See you soon.